Breaking news! Breaking news, people! Breaking news! As a gang of mosquitoes have been terrorizing members of a certain community in Jamaica. We are here on spot in the community at this time to get a live report from individuals who have been affected by the mosquitoes. Good afternoon, ma'am. So tell Jamaica, what happened when the mosquitoes entered the community?
Everything in the community last night had closed because of the mosquito in.
Man, you observed many actions of these mosquitoes. What were they doing when they entered the community?
If you want us to synchronize swimming or dancing, hawks the mosquito synchronize dancing. In the sky, come up and go down and dance and come around and go back on. Whole group of them. Me not hawks nobody.
A farmer in a neighboring community had an encounter with one of those mosquitoes. One of those members of the mosquito gangs. This is what he had to say about the mosquito.
What you say about the mosquito there?
Mosquito out for hang me in the house. All this morning, me and them a woo.
What?
And when I them come and yes, never shut up your mouth.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How have the mosquitoes affected the members of the community?
But the point is, the people them what are dead in. Not for them dead.
This is Kelvin Joseph Comedy News, taking you back to studios. We're out. Thank you for joining us and signing in. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Don't keep the fun to yourself. Share it with your friends and family. And remember, click that notification bell because YouTube will not send you anything more from me. Until next time, big up yourself and stay strong.